Now guys, let me actually open one. Yeah, this is my project. Okay, guys. This is one project, guys. You can actually apply for any project, this Sonar Cloud thing. Guys, if you remember at the start of your this course, you have written, you have filled a form and submitted to the Microsoft. Do you remember, guys? Have you filled any form? Parallelism request?
Yeah.
Yeah. There, guys, you have selected private projects. Do you remember, guys? Just let me open that for you. This form, do you remember this form, guys? Do you remember this? You have filled this form. Is it correct, guys? After some time, you got a response, then only you have created your pipelines. Is it correct?
Yeah.
Yes.
Now, guys, to work with Sonar Cloud, you have to fill the form again. This time you have to select public project, guys, because if you're using Sonar Cloud, you can use it with your public project. So, guys, select it, submit it. Then you, again, after 2 to 3 days, you will get a response from your Sonar Cloud. Then you can create your project, guys. Now, this is my project, guys. And first of all, guys, go to your DevOps account, go to your organization settings, and here, guys, go to extensions. Yeah, go to your extension, and guys, you need to install one extension called Sonar Cloud, guys. For you, there is because I have already installed this extension in my code. But now, guys, how will you install that? Go to extensions, click on Browse Marketplace, click on that, and here search for Sonar Cloud. Yeah, install this extension, guys. This orange extension, just click on that, click the button, get it free. Down, then what will happen? This extension will be installed in your DevOps account. So this is the first thing which you have to do. And after you do this, guys, go back to your any project code, guys. You can apply on any project code. Open your project, go to your repositories. And first of all, go to your project settings, guys, and go to a service connection. And guys, here you have to create a service connection for the Sonar Cloud. And it is very simple. Let me show you how to create a service connection. So before that, guys, you have to open Sonar Cloud. This is the URL, guys. sonarcloud.io. sonarcloud.io. So here, so you have to create an account. Very simple, guys. When you click that, it will be shown like it. Just click the button login. When you log in, guys, it will ask by using which account you want to log in. So select Azure DevOps, guys. So I want to log in by using my Azure DevOps. Then it will ask you, it will simply, yeah, it will be loaded, guys. Now I have logged into my Sonar Cloud account by using Azure DevOps. Did you get my point? Do you understand this, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah, very simple. Click the URL sonarcloud.io. Click the URL sonarcloud.io. Once it is done, click the button login. Use your Azure DevOps account to log in. That means you have to give the same credentials by using which you will log into your Azure DevOps account. Once it is done, yeah, select this. This is the account which I'm using. I'm logging into my account, guys. If you observe here, guys, there are a lot of projects from which I have already run my Sonar Cloud thing. Okay, before this, guys, this is my account. Now, guys, let me go. Okay, here, let me go here. Don't create. Okay, if you want to create, you can create a new organization, guys. Don't create that because we are already imported it. Let me click a button, analyze new project, guys, and click the button, create a project manually. Now, what you are doing, guys, here, you are creating one project. It can be anything, guys. The same project okay, where is this project, guys? Can anyone tell me where is this project?
Yeah.
Now, what is our intention, guys? Can anyone tell me what is our intention? Our intention is to check this particular project's code. Is it correct, guys? If you go to this repos, now, guys, my intention is to test the code which is written in this repo. So we have already created a repo and the developers have already pushed their code. Now, before releasing it to test, what I want to do, I want to perform my testing on this code. Further, guys, whatever the code which is written in this repo, that will be tested by using this particular Sonar Cloud. Further, guys, this is your organization. This is organization, nothing but this is your DevOps account. Now here I'm creating a new project, project 1, 2, 3, give a key and click the button setup. Now you have created a new project, guys. Currently there is no code, nothing here. It's an empty thing. Now, guys, you just need to, okay, you have just created an empty project. Now, guys, click a button, go to your account, my account, go to security, and guys, here you have to generate a new token. Why we need a new token? Because you need to create a service connection in your repo. By using that service connection, this code can be reached to this Sonar Cloud account. Did you understand this line or not?
How you got the key? Is it by default you got?
No, I'm generating it. You need to go to your account, go to the security and click generate one some token for project 0 to any name, give some name and generate a token. This is the token which is generated. Copy this, go back to your project settings, go to your service connection, click new service connection, select Sonar Cloud. Select next. Just copy this token here, guys. Verify. Succeeded. Give a name. Sonar. Give any name for your connection. Sonar Cloud. Project 02. Give some name. And grant access. Save it. Can you tell me, guys, so why I need this connection? Sonar Cloud P02. Why I need this connection?
To push the code from DevOps account to Sonar Cloud.
Yeah, to push the code, to get a report. So to communicate this one with this one, we need to have that thing. Yeah, you good, very, very good. Now, guys, let me go and create a release pipeline. Now, my intention is I have created one empty project here. This is my project. Currently, it doesn't has anything in it. It's an empty project, which is major project 2, 3, something. Now, guys, my intention is I need to push this code to this project where a code analysis need to be run and we need to see a result if there are any errors in it or not. Further, guys, go to your pipeline, click on your pipeline. And guys, you need to create a new pipeline. I have already created that, guys. Very simple. Okay. before, okay, let me create a new one. Otherwise, you may not understand. So guys, let me do, actually, I'm creating a new pipeline. Click the button, new pipeline. Now here, select classic editor. Here guys, yeah, it is major project, the branch is main, select. And after guys here, don't select empty job. Try to search a Sonar Cloud, .NET Core with Sonar Cloud. This is the template which you need to access, guys. Click that. Once you click that, what happens? All the tasks by default will be added to your build pipeline, guys. Did you understand, guys, what I've just done?
But you are fast.
Can I repeat that again?
Yes, please.
Very simple. I'm creating a new pipeline for my repo. Click the button, new pipeline. Classic editor. Now this is my project name. This is the repository name. This is the branch. You know that. General guys, if you click empty, what will happen? One empty build pipeline will be shown. Nah? When you click empty, what will happen, guys? This will be shown. And here, what you do? You need to add some tasks, na, guys. Copy files and everything. You will add it from here, na, guys.
Right.
Correct?
Correct.
This is the but I don't want to do this because instead of this is known as a classical editor where you have to run everything, where you have to write each and every task by default. So, but I don't want to do that because there is already a template which is available for Sonar Cloud projects. So now I want to use that. Where is the template? This is the template. .NET Core with Sonar Cloud. Accept it. Apply it. Now, guys, if you observe here, select the pipeline, select that Windows latest. All the tasks have already been written. Now, guys, because it's .NET, what is restore? Do you remember, guys, what is restore? Guys, what is restore?
The prerequisite software.
Yeah, if it's .NET, to
yes.
build that application, the server needs to have some .NET files. Just a minute. Now, guys, those will be installed in this step. Build is nothing but the application will be built, and test is nothing but if your .NET project is having any test project, guys. Sometimes what the programmers will do, they will write a test project for that. If they have it, we need to include this task also. Now, guys, don't touch anything. Only task which you need to do is click on this particular button. And guys, here you have to select the service connection. What is the service connection which we have created? Do you remember the name? I think this is the one. Is it correct, guys? Now select that organization. Done. Now, guys, here you have to give project key and project name. So from where you will get that?
Here it is a .NET, but in case of Java or some other thing, then
yes, there is. I'll show you guys. Wait for a minute. You will be having 25 different programming languages support for Sonar Cloud. So don't worry. Now, guys, let me go click on this project and let me click on information. If you click on information, guys, this is my project now, project 23. Click on information. This is my project key, guys. Copy this and paste it in your project key. Done. This is my okay. What is the next name? Project name, guys. Now this is my project name, guys. Copy and paste it here. Done. Don't do anything else, guys. Everything is done. Other things, don't touch anything. Just save and run. Save and queue. Now, can you tell me, guys, what are we doing now? We are creating a pipeline. This pipeline, guys, when you edit it, let me tell you. This restore task will install all .NET related packages in the server. This analysis Sonar Cloud will give the Sonar Cloud connection, and it will give to which project the files need to be go. And this will actually build the application. This is the test cases will be run on that. And this particular task, guys, run code analysis. The actual analysis of the code will be done here. And finally, guys, this task, publish quality gate result. This will actually deploy the result in the particular project which we have created in my Sonar Cloud. So guys, when I run all the tasks in this pipeline, the currently we are running it. If you go and check this, when you're running all these tasks. So first in restore, what's happened, guys? All .NET related packages will be installed. And in analysis, the service connection will be given. Build, the application will be built. Guys, today is a festival. A lot of relatives are there in my house. So there may be some background noise. So just understand that. Okay. This is build, test will be tested, run code analysis. Here, guys, the actual analysis of the code will be done. And finally, the result will be published by using this publish quality gate. Guys, do you understand this or not? First, tell me this.
Understood.
These tasks, guys.
Yes, sir.
What it will do in the test?
Okay, test is nothing but, guys, you can see your project, the programmers, what will they do? When they create the actual project, they will create a test folder inside their project, and there they will write some test cases, guys, that will be written by themselves to test the application. So guys, when you get the code, guys, you need to ask this to the programmers. Have you written any test projects in your code? If they have created any test project, guys, you have to add this task. Here, guys, whatever the test case which has been written by the programmer, that will be tested in this pipeline. Did you get my point or not?
Yes, sir.
Generally,
Sir,
programmer will also write some test cases, guys.
Sir,
Testing means,
okay.
Yeah.
Go ahead, sir.
got it? Testing means only testers will not test it. Tester will be performing integration testing, alpha testing, beta testing, but programmer will perform unit testing. To perform that testing, he will write some code in his code. If the code is having that, mention this. Do you understand this? Okay,
Yes,
is
sir.
it clear all the tasks? So let me go back to the pipeline. It is still running.
Sir, in real time, whether company will allow to create a Sonar Cube
No,
login
that,
credential?
yeah. Yes, guys, there is a major problem. Okay, I'll tell you one. In my previous project, I told you now, when I know the project cost is going high. Before moving into the test, I asked my company, can I create a Sonar Cloud pipeline for it? Then they said no. Why they said no? Can anyone tell me?
Because we need to purchase the license, right, sir?
No, not the license. You need to create a public project, and you have to deploy your code in this Sonar Cloud, guys. This is a public platform where you are exposing your project code. It will have everything. So lot of the big companies may not use it, but startups and CMM level 2-3 companies will use it, guys. So guys, it is not necessary that if you join any company, so when you say I want to create a pipeline by using Sonar Cloud, then some companies will say yes, you can go with that, but a lot of the companies will say please don't do that. Why? Because we are exposing our project code to the outside world, and some companies are very concerned. They have some concerns about exposing their code. So guys, it is good to know this concept, because guys, a lot of small companies, small MNCs still are using this concept, guys. But most of the big companies are not using this Sonar Cloud. Did you understand it? Or?
Yes.
But why there is a need of it? If the company is, guys, not allowing you to write this, use this Sonar Cloud, then guys, you need to ask your programmer. There is a concept called Sonar Lint, guys. What is this? It's a plugin. Sonar Lint is a IDE plugin. So guys, you have to ask your programmer to install this plugin in their IDE. What is IDE, guys? Can anyone tell me?
Editor, sir, where we write the code.
Source editor. So guys, what can you do? You can ask the programmer to install this IDE. Then what will it do? It will test the Sonar Cloud. It will test all the code errors, and it will give a report to the programmers. And you can ask the programmer to send the report to you, so that to be sure that there are no errors in it. Are you following this, guys?
Okay. Yes, sir.
But guys, in the interviews, they will ask you to, they will definitely ask this. Have you ever created any pipelines on Sonar Cloud? Can you tell me what is the source? What is the use of a Sonar Cloud? What is Sonar Lint? They'll ask this question. So you have to know that. You need to know what is the Sonar Cloud and how to create a pipeline. Once it is that, okay, your company may use it or may not use it. But guys, if your company is not allowing you to create a pipeline, you have to ask the programmer to use the Sonar Lint plugin. Is it clear?
Okay. So it will allow for every editor, sir, or any particular editor?
Every editor, Visual Studio 2019, Visual Studio Code. Actually, all the front-end programmers will always use VS Code, guys. But if it the backend, there can be using Node.js, or some will use Java, some will use .NET. So there will be different editors. Each will have a support, guys, for this Sonar Cloud, because it is very, very important. So before giving the code to the testers, your application will be tested. So it is very nice now, guys, to know in advance whether there are any errors in it or not. Is it correct, guys?
Yes, correct.
Venkat, I have one question.
Yeah.
Instead of using Sonar Cloud, there is one product called Sonar Cube, right?
Yeah,
You
yeah.
can
I'm going to tell that also. So, yeah, you can use Sonar Cube also. Yes. But Sonar, guys, there is another concept called Sonar Cube. By using that also, you can perform this, where you will not expose your code to the outside world. But guys, as a DevOps engineer, you need to know about the Sonar Cloud, because you will work on the cloud, you will create pipelines. So it is better if you know this concept. Okay. I know, because if you are a programmer, you might have already worked with Sonar Lint or Sonar Cube. Is it correct?
Yes,
Who brought the concept, guys? Sonar Cube. Who tell this?
Venkat Reddy.
Venkat Reddy. Okay, Venkat Reddy. So are you a programmer?
Yeah, in my current company, we are using Sonar Cube.
Okay, okay, good.
Venkat,
my question-
everywhere Sonar Cube we are using actually. Sonar
Yes.
Cloud we are not using.
But guys, Sonar Cloud is a DevOps engineer's concept, so you have to know it. Okay.
Okay,
In my company, in my last 3 companies, 2 companies, we have created hundreds of pipelines on the Sonar Cloud. My current company is not allowing me to create it. Okay, so it depends, guys. Now you can see this, guys. This is done. It is done, guys. Then come back here and now search. Click on your projects, and if you see this, guys, this is my project. Now this time you can see there are 13 bugs, 0 vulnerabilities, 0 hotspot reviews. There are 75 code smells, 100%, 0% coverage, and duplication is 2.9% of duplication has done. There is a duplicate code thing. But guys, if you observe here, the result of this project, guys, if you see this, it is not computed. That means, guys, the result of the project should be passed or failed. What is the meaning of pass? If it is passed, guys, you can release the code to the next environment. If it is failed, you will not release. But if you get a message like this, so it is not pass or fail, then guys, you cannot take a decision. So this is happened because guys, if you come here, it is saying your quality gate not computed. We cannot display your quality gate without a new code definition. Guys, this project need to have a new code definition. What is the new code definition? Go to your administration, guys, and click on this new code. Now, guys, if you observe here, there are 4 options for it. You have to select at least one option. For example, if it is previous version, what is the meaning of that? You know, now, guys, you can see the new code definition has been set. It has been updated. If you select previous version, what happens? You know, at the development, when the programmers are writing the code, when they are deploying this code to the environment, there may be n number of versions. Is it correct? Initially, there will be version 1. After 1 month, there will be version 2. Next, there will be version 3. So, guys, till version 1, if you have already generated a report and everything is good, guys, then if you select this one, all code that has changed since the previous version only considered as a new code. Did you get my point? Did you get my point? Guys, have you understood? Here, guys, I'm treating the new code which has been written by the programmer. That means, for example, this code has version 1 and version 2. Till version 1, it has already been tested by using Sonar Cloud. When they are writing a new code into it in the version 2, then we won't test the version 1 code. We will only test the version 2 code. Did you get my point, guys? Very simple.
Yes, sir.
Now, if it is specific version, there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I want to test from version 3. Then select this specific version and give the version number. And if I want to select number of days, I want to the programmer, if I mention 30, so the code which has been written for the past 30 days, that will be analyzed. If I set specific date, so the code which has been written from this date, that will be analyzed. So guys, you have to give at least one new code definition. Once you give that, guys, now again come here. Now guys, run this particular pipeline again. This time I'm running it again. Now when you run this again, this time, guys, what will happen? If you go to your project, so this is the same code, guys, same code, same project, guys. So this time, guys, it will be shown as passed. Though there are 13 bugs, those are not big bugs. So when you see pass, guys, what does that mean? You can actually release this code to your next environment. Guys, do you understand this or not? The concept of Sonar Cloud.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Everyone. So guys, today's assignment.
So the test result we could not see in the pipeline, or where can we see that, or anything there?
Where, can you tell me?
Test result, sir. We have added the test, right? So where we can see the result, test result?
Actually, if there are no errors, you can't see any result. If there is any error, that will be shown in the log. Okay. You know, na, if there is at least one error, this pipeline will fail. It will not generate any report. This pipeline will fail, and you can see the result in the log, which test case has been failed.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now come back here. So create a build pipeline for your Sonar Cloud project. That's it, guys. So let us all meet tomorrow. This is already run, guys. You can see this is the same code 13.13.0.0.0.0. Now, guys, this time this not computer will change it to past. That's it.
So that
Because
code, can you share us the code?
Yeah, I will share the code. Don't worry. Now only I'll share the code in the Slack. So because here we don't have the new code definition, but here we have the new code definition. So quality gate is passed. Okay, guys, let us all meet tomorrow. So I will provide the code in the Slack. Please create a pipeline. Before that, yeah, create a pipeline. It will run, guys. No worries. Okay, guys, let us all meet tomorrow. Okay, guys.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Clear? The concept is clear enough for everyone?
Yes.
Yes, good, guys. Let us all meet
Thank you.
tomorrow. Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.